On this week's edition of the Business Review, visual artists in St. Catherine have been given an avenue to monetize their work while inspiring patrons. TVJ's Andrew Laidley has that report.
Art lovers are usually forced to go to a gallery to indulge in fine arts, but in Old Harbour, St. Catherine, patrons don't have to look very far. The convergence of art and people is facilitated at Kaluga's usual art showcase on Highlight Fridays. And it's not just about viewing art. The showcase is also known for helping artists to secure sale.
Our main aim here is to highlight talents in and around Old Harbour and the surroundings, right? And bring that to Kaluga, because Old Harbour, St. Catherine on a whole doesn't have a medium by which persons such as these artists can showcase their talent, right? So that is what we were trying to do tonight and what we will continue to do. I mean, this is just the start.
A regular piece of art at Kaluga's showcase can go for as low as $200. But the artists didn't always know the value of their work. Fine art painter Conroy Green says before now he only saw artwork as a hobby.
I've been painting for 3 years now. It has always been something that I'm passionate about. But over the years, people have been telling me that I'm really good at it and I can make a living, so I started paying more attention to it.
In a similar vein, featured artist Delroy Millwood says more value needs to be placed on the artwork being produced by local talent.
Find out the talents that the youths in your community have and try help them, because some of them just need a little help. You will be so surprised at what they can produce. Waste our talents, you know. And I think is we have few people with the eyes to see the diamond in the rough, because we are a diamond in the rough. My brother here, you know, and Kaluga as an entity that, you know, can let us feel this warm feeling of, you know, displaying our talents. You know, it's a great way of saving the youths and the culture.
He says the initiative is also boosting commerce in Old Harbour as more patrons turn out for each staging.
The atmosphere, you know, taking the Mobe, the Orchard, the Negril style here in St. Catherine. So that's a plus for me, you know, that's Kaluga is doing.
Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.